Hi guys, welcome on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn index function of Excel. Last time I show you how to use VLOOKUP function, but there is a limitation in that. Like when we are fetching result for Mohan, we can see the item he is selling, his sales value, his remarks, but we cannot see his serial number or employee code or whatever is in the left of this person. So by using index function, we can also see the results for serial number also. Like here, I have already done this. You will see here the name is Salman, which is here, and you can also see serial number here. It also fetches the serial number, which is in the left of the salesperson. So we will learn how to use index function today. So let's get started. But before that, don't forget to subscribe our channel, like our video, and share with your friends. So let's see what is the index function. Formula for the index function is equal to index brackets. It is asking for array. Arrays are this whole table, then comma and row number. For row number, we are using match function for making it dynamic, and in match function we will be using lookup value. Here we have G19. I am gonna freeze this value, uh, but only the G, because if I am going down, so it remains dynamic. So here I locks G19, and then we come for lookup array. Lookup array means here is a salesperson, so we want salesperson detail. So we are taking this like this, and we are gonna freeze this, right? And then it is asking for match type. Match type is exact match, so here I am using 0, bracket close. Then it is asking for column number. For column number, we are using this. So to keep it dynamic, like here is item, but if we want here sales value, so we can also see sales value. If we write it here remarks, we can also see the remarks of the selected salesperson. So for selecting item, we are selecting this and freezing this, right? Comma, sorry, before that match function here, right? And now it is asking for lookup array. Lookup array for this item is this, because we want dynamic result for all this. Comma, we want exact match, so 0, bracket close. And here you can see here is a red bracket, and we have to give one more bracket to do it completely, and pressing enter. So you will see here it comes 3v, and then we will drag and drop like this, right? Now if you see here, in the place of Salman, when I type Shahid, it will fetch automatically the results for Shahid, like item, sales value, remarks, and serial number. See, it all changed. I If you want 5 persons here, so you can make table accordingly, and drag this just like this, right? यहाँ पे here it is NA, and if you write name here like Lucy, it will fetch the result, item, sales value, remarks, and serial number, right? So this is the main function of index number, which makes it better from VLOOKUP, is that it also shows the result to the left of the selected item also. So thank you very much. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.